Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Friends with Math. Today we will be learning a new topic. Stay tuned and happy learning. So our topic for today is lateral surface area of a cuboid. First let us learn the dimensions of the cuboid. This is a cuboid. It has length, breadth and height. It is represented accordingly such as L, B and H. Now let us see the face, vertex and edge of a cuboid. This is a cuboid and the red mark that you can see is the vertex. So we have the vertices such as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. These are the vertices. If we need to say only F, then we say vertex. If we say in plural, then it is vertices. So the edges are AB, BC, CD and so on. I have mentioned each of the edges below. So this is the phase 1 and phase 2, phase 3 which is opposite to phase 1. Then we have phase 4 which is opposite to phase 2. This is phase 5 which is the bottom phase and phase 6 which is opposite to phase 5. So let us first calculate the area of phase 1 and phase 3. So this is the cuboid that we just discussed, phase 1 and phase 3. So I'm mentioning the dimensions, that is length and height for phase 1 and phase 3. I've taken it separately. So side into side will give you L into H, which is the area of phase 1 and phase 3. Similarly, for phase 2 and phase 4, we have the dimensions as B and H. So the area will be B into H. Phase 5 and phase 6, this is the cuboid. Phase 5 is the bottom phase. Phase 6 is opposite to it, that is the upper phase. It has the dimensions length and breadth. So this is the length and breadth. So L into B is the area for phase 5 and phase 6. Therefore, the lateral surface area is represented as LSA and it is the sum of all the 4 phases. Here we will be excluding phase 5 and phase 6. L into H plus B into H plus L into H plus B into H. Here if you notice, phase 1 and phase 3 have the same area. Similarly, phase 2 and phase 4 have the same area. So since we have 2 common, that is L into H is appearing 2 times. Similarly, B into H is appearing 2 times. So we can take it as 2 into L into H plus 2 into B into H. We can reduce it and write it as 2H into L plus B. So as I mentioned, area of phase 5 and 6 are not included for lateral surface area of a cuboid. So the unit of measurement is very important. It can either be centimeter square or meter square. Let us see when we have to use centimeter square and when we need to use meter square. If the unit of length, breadth and height is in meter, the unit of measurement will be meter square. Similarly, if the unit of length, breadth and height is in centimeter, the unit of measurement will be centimeter square. Thank you for watching. Hope you understood the topic for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you again with another topic. Thank you.